How do you return a Casper mattress? If you're considering returning your Casper mattress, you're probably wondering how the process works and what you need to do. Let's break it down step by step. First, you have a generous 100-night trial period to decide if the Casper mattress is right for you. This trial starts from the day your mattress is delivered. If, during this time, you find that the mattress isn't meeting your comfort needs, you can initiate a return. To start the return process, you need to contact Casper's customer service. You can do this via phone, email, or through the live chat option on their website. Make sure you have your order details handy, including your order number and delivery date. Once you've notified Casper that you want to return the mattress, their customer service team will arrange for a pickup at your convenience. This service is free, so you don't need to worry about any additional costs or restocking fees. A courier will come to your home to collect the mattress, making the process quick and easy. After the mattress is picked up, Casper will process your refund. You'll get the full purchase price back, which will be credited to your original payment method. Depending on your bank or credit card provider, this refund might take a few days to show up in your account. It's a good idea to keep the mattress in good condition, although it doesn't need to be perfect. Using a mattress protector and taking care of the product can make the return process smoother. Casper also recommends trying the mattress for at least 30 nights to allow your body to adjust to the new sleeping surface. If you purchased your Casper mattress from a third-party retailer, you'll need to follow that retailer's return policy, as Casper's return process only applies to purchases made directly from them. Casper is committed to sustainability, so they ensure that returned mattresses are either recycled or donated to charity whenever possible. This approach helps reduce waste and supports local communities. Overall, Casper's return policy is designed to be customer-friendly, making it easy and stress-free to return a mattress if it doesn't work out for you.